investment. If you want to earn money without any financial investment, then you're on the right track. Today, many people are interested on how to make money online. You can make money while sleeping. There are a lot of great ways to make money online, regardless of whether you're at home or at work. In this video, I'm going to show you a legit way to make money online without any financial investment. You don't need to invest any money. Even if you don't have laptop or computer, you can use your smartphone to earn a lot of money online. Before we start, please do us a favor by subscribing to our channel and turn on the notification bell for more interesting videos. Number one way is on how to make money online without any financial investment is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and getting commission when someone buys the product. It is one of the best and the legit ways to make money online. To make money, you need to join the affiliate network and find a product to sell online. In affiliate marketing, you don't need to own high traffic website to earn that. All you need to do is to share your link to your friends, or even to share it on your social media. And while someone buys product through your link, you'll be paid for that. In affiliate marketing, with or without financial investment, you can earn a lot of money through that. You can earn $10,000 to $100,000 on money, depending on how you play your cards. If you want to get started, here are top affiliate marketing to start with: Amazon affiliate, ClickBank, Digistore24, AliExpress affiliate, and many others. How do you start? All you need to do is to go to the website and register and become member of the affiliate marketing. All the links to the websites are on the description box. Go there and check and take the one you can do. Next in our list is online survey. Get paid to take survey. Companies are looking for answers and are ready to pay you. Your answer helps their product and services. Taking survey is an easy and a legit way to make money online without any financial investment. You don't need any money to start with. You don't even need laptop or computer. If it's only smartphone you have, you can do it. There are a lot of companies that need your answer for them to get their products. As you can see, you can take survey in any part of the country, anywhere: China, Taiwan, Nigeria, Ghana, USA, any part of the country that you find yourself. You can always take survey and make money online without any financial investment. Make money and accrue money without any financial investment. All you need to do is go to the website, register, and become part of them and help people solve their problem. With my research, I found a genuine site that are legit. They include Swagbox, Survey Junkie. Swagbox apps is very legit, and you are giving $5 for just signing up. It works with almost all parts of the country. How to get started? Create a new email account. Sign up at each survey site. Complete your profile. Then start taking survey and start making a lot of money for just doing that. All the link is on description box. Get started with the one you choose most. Before we continue, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and comment on the comment section. Next is write and publish a Kindle ebook. Write ebook to sell on Amazon. Do you love to write? If you are expert in anything, you can package it into book. With a Kindle store, anyone can publish an ebook and make money on Amazon without any investment, without any financial investment. Kindle app is available and is available in every device: laptop, iPad, smartphone, and is available in all parts of the country. Amazon is a huge platform that reaches a million of buyers. Do you know that some blog posts is longer than some ebook that are sold on Amazon? If you love to write, you can package this and make a lot of money. You can make a lot of money by just writing ebook and package it on Kindle Amazon. How to get started with this writing and selling ebook on Amazon? What you need to do is decide which type of book you love to write, the type of book that you want to write. Make sure you research very well before writing. Write your ebook, outline the content, make it into chapters, format it for Kindle, choose eye-catching cover page, create an Amazon seller account and upload your ebook. Start making a cool amount of money. Then the next is YouTube. Create a YouTube channel account. YouTube is one of the most fun ways to make money online without any financial investment. You don't need any money to start with. A lot of people make money through YouTube. You can start your YouTube channel on just any topic that interests you. You can earn a lot of money through YouTube personal program. You are paid based on your thousands views. How to start YouTube channel? Create an email account. Create a YouTube channel and name your channel. Choose a niche that interests you. Record your first video. Upload it to YouTube. Study YouTube search engine. Use your social media to drive traffic. Get 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers. Create an AdSense account. Apply for monetization. Earn while people watch your video. Next on how to make money online without any financial investment is by selling your photo. Do you like taking pictures? Are you a picture type? Do you have an idea that you can sell them on stock photo agency and make money while sleeping? You don't need a degree to sell photo to make money online. You will get paid based on the number of downloads. How to get started? Go to the website that sell photos such as iStock, Adobe Stock. Create an account. Complete profile. You will be paid for every download of any of your pictures. You don't need any financial investment to start it with. You don't need any money. You don't need laptop or computer. Even if it is your smartphone, you can make money online while sleeping. Before we continue, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel and comment on the comment section. The next on how to make money online without any financial investment is by becoming TikTok influencer. Recently, TikTok is one of the best ways to make money online, just like YouTube. You can earn a lot of money by just posting short videos. How to get started? Choose your niche, create your TikTok profile and start creating content. Use the best hashtag and trending hashtag for the videos. Use the trending song. Be active and post regularly. Get monetization when you have reached 10,000 followers and earn a lot of money through that. Next on how to make money online without any financial investment is by becoming a professional voiceover artist on voice.com. Become a professional voiceover artist on voice.com. If you have a decent acting skills and great voice, you can become a voice artist. A voice actor is a performer who uses their voice to entertain, market product for commercial, use the voice for game, animation, cartoon, and many other. You don't need a degree in order to become voice actor. You can earn from anywhere between $100 to $10,000. How to become a voice actor? Go to voice.com and sign up. The next on how to make money online without any financial investment is through act. Create art and sell it worldwide, anywhere in the world, on www.artfire.com. Do you love art? Do you like to draw? You can make money while you sleep through that. Making money online is so easy and you can do it. A lot of people are doing it. You can do it. Just get started and you'll find yourself making a lot of money and helping solve your needs. In our next video, we'll be discussing each of the topics we mentioned today. Stick to us for you to know how you can make money online. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a like and a thumbs up and turn on the notification bell for more interesting video and for you to know when I upload new video.